Hello, it's Friday. Fri-YAY. You excited? All right. If you were in my class and you were cohort B, you successfully folded all 6 papers and we glued them, and you're good. You are going home. If you were in person today and you're cohort B and you were not absent, you left this building with everything you needed to work on the Greek Gods and Goddesses project on Monday from home. You are still logging in on Monday. As you know, some classes are transitioning to what we have been doing since December 10th. So since December 10th, whether you're cohort A or B, the expectation is you are logging in for English during English. That expectation is still there. So I post the work for the week towards the end of the day, like 12, 1, 2 o'clock, what you have to accomplish before the next day. And I often have like a summarizing video in case you missed class. If you're going to miss class, if you're remote or in person, you should be touching base with me or looking to see what you missed, right? So today, we spent a whole bunch of time folding these, right? If you are not in a place where you have folded these, if you're cohort A and you logged in and you attempted it, I really appreciate it. And we had a conversation, and you're going to come in Monday and I'm going to help you finish putting it together, right? If you are cohort A, group A, there's only a few of you. I am probably going to be late on Monday. I'm going to come and find you 6th period. I know you go to a different special starting Monday. You're either in music or math skills. So I'm going to come and find you and finish constructing your project for you or with you so that you're leaving the building with what you need. So I'm sorry if you're cohort A and you don't have a project constructed. As I'm sitting here, I'm thinking about it. I will probably have, what I'm going to do is have like 5 or 6 of these, maybe 10, all done. And then you could just take an already done one. That does not bother me at all. Okay. I know that is some of you. Okay. Not a big deal. I think that's maybe the best thing to do, because then I'm not holding you up on Monday. Okay. So you're going to be in here 1st period, A group, with Mr. Simone, and you'll be working on the project. If you're group A, cohort B, you're going to check in, I think, with Mr. Simone or with my homeroom, but then you can go and work on your project. So I apologize that I'm going to be late. I have a daycare issue on Monday, 1st period. So I'll be here for all the other groups on Monday. But group A, cohort A, I might be late for you. And for that, I apologize. But I will come and find you later in the day in the building and check in with you and see what you may need to work on the project. Okay. For all of the groups, we are working on the project either remotely or in person for the entire period so that you can kind of get your bearings on what you might need and start putting the project together and ask me any questions. I'm available to help you, because sometimes kids just need some time to like conceptualize how the thing goes together. Because remember, so much of our year this year has been not doing things like that. We're not cutting and pasting. We're doing a lot of Google Slides and Pear Deck type of stuff. And that's different, right? Maybe we need a little bit more practice in putting things together. Okay. I was going to tell you one other thing. What was it? In terms of the project. Oh, today is Friday. It's about 11:30. I am logging in to the Extra Help Google Meet. I'll put it back at the top of all of your streams just in case. I'm logging in at 1 o'clock for at least one student. And I will log in again at 1:45 as well, because that is the Extra Help Meet time every single day. So I'll be in that meet at 1 o'clock, and I'll be in it again at 1:45, so that if you want to, we can try and do this together remotely, or if you have any questions, right? Some kids were successful in doing this remotely. Other kids were like, I don't get it, and I'm just going to do it Monday. But we tried. Totally fine. Okay? So check in with me if you're confused. Cohort B, I see no reason why this project can't be handed in to me by the Friday before the break. Cohort A, you might need until after the break. So, which is okay with me. Totally fine. Okay. Let me know what you might need. I'm happy to demonstrate this again, but I already demonstrated it once and it might not be that useful. So I will see you all. Well, maybe I'll see you this afternoon, but I'll definitely see you on Monday, either in person or remotely. And again, you are logging in during your class time if you are remote for ELA. There is no excuses for that. There is a connection between you logging in and how aware you are of what's going on in my class. Because if you're with me for 35 minutes to 40 minutes on a computer, that is the best thing for you to be doing if you can't be in person. And the 2 or 3 minute videos I make summarizing what we covered in no way, shape, or form makes up for that, but it at least summarizes what it is you missed. So you need to be logging in. And if you are oblivious as to where that link is or what that time is, just ask. Okay? Have a good day, you guys. Bye. Happy Friday.